Alesandro Tower.
Let's go find our Airbnb and check that out. First impressions of Manila, ton of traffic. Now look at this. You walk in, look at the view we have. This is Metro Manila, BGC, Philippines.
This one.
Yep.
Alesandro Tower. Okay.
Traveling, so we are in the van and our destination is 5.7 kilometers, but because of traffic, it's gonna be 45 minutes to get there. Let's go find our Airbnb and look at the traffic here. This is our driver. Amalang Panglang Mo?
Kim.
Kim, all right.
Kim Reyes.
That's our driver, Kim. We are so excited to be in the Philippines. This trip has been talked about for 4 years. And this Southeast Asia series starts right here in Manila, Philippines and ends in a beautiful country with one of the most amazing airports in the world. I hope I didn't give it away. But please subscribe to watch our entire journey through 3 countries in Southeast Asia, starting right here in the Philippines. First impressions of Manila, ton of traffic. Look at this. Look at all the motorcycles. Look at this. Just bikes everywhere, people everywhere. So we have arrived to our Airbnb. We're near the Venice Canal. Yeah, check in. Hello. Kumusta ka? Ate. Could you do us a big favor? See if we can get into our room a little early. We've been.
We can call our customers and ask
That would be great.
if it's available.
And
I
if
sent them a message, but I haven't heard anything. Yeah.
so, here you guys see. You come in, and beautiful lobby, elevators here, and this is for Amazon. Qube. Okay. So if you get stuff delivered by Qube, they've got lockers for you right there. Check it out. All right, guys. So we have made it to our Airbnb. We're staying in the what tower?
Alesandro Tower at McKinley Hill.
Let's see what we got in here, guys. It's a 2-bedroom Airbnb. Vanessa's gonna do us the honors and open the door here. See what we got, guys. We are in our Airbnb here in BGC, guys. Let's give you the tour. Take a look. There's my love. Now look at this. You walk in, beautiful living room, full-length mirror right here. How you doing, travelers? And now look at this view we have, guys. And you got floor-to-wall mirrors right there. Nice couch. Decent Wi-Fi. And I'll take you guys out here in a second as soon as we finish this tour. But look at the view we have from our Airbnb. Beautiful. Nice big size TV, which we will be watching. I don't know why YouTubers like take pride in saying they never turn on the TV. I'm gonna turn it on, I'm gonna watch a lot of it. And I'm gonna enjoy it. Here's bedroom number 1. Look at this view here from the bedroom, you guys. How stunning. This is Metro Manila, BGC, Philippines. Just look how beautiful it is. Now let's go over to the next room. This is the guest bedroom. And then you got a bathroom right here. Full bathroom with a shower. Western style toilet with a bum gun. Sink, mirror. And now we're walking into the master. Another bathroom, shower, toilet, bum gun, pretty standard. Beautiful mounted TV here on the wall with an AC unit in the room. And then you got this beautiful bedroom, nice closet, you guys, look at this. Full-size closets with an iron. That's huge because I bought linen pants. Got a safe in the room with drawers in the closet. And now let's look at this view, you guys. Imagine every day you're waking up to this. How beautiful is that? Let me just continue this tour with this view. Unbelievable how beautiful the Philippines and Metro Manila BGC is. And now, what do you say, guys? Bed test time? I think it is. Oh, it's a nice bed. We haven't slept in 24 hours. So tired, but we're doing this video for you. Almost forgot the kitchen. Check this out. You walk in, and off to the right here, you've got this beautiful kitchen with appliances and all. Look at this. You got rice cooker, toaster, microwave, stove, laundry. We just stowed some of our luggage in here for now. But how nice is this, you guys? Little couch when you walk in here, in case you want to hang out while somebody's cooking, I guess. And there's my love. What do you think, baby?